Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not stay, I will throw lipstick at you. So you better be good at dodgeball. Okay. Today is a absolute fun day. We got a new palette in my collection, a new palette out on the market. It is the Nomad Chamonix Après-Ski palette. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It looks like this. I will have swatches. I'm playing with it. Yeah, I have my first impressions review, whatever you want to call it. I had a good time with this. I ended up creating this look right here. So if you want to hear my thoughts, you want to see how I created this look, you want to see some swatches, then without further ado, let's get into it. I'm so happy, I'm so excited for today. I'm trying to get this out on the day that I'm filming it because I really want to play with this. I really want to get this out for you guys. Ignore my hair. I don't know what it's on. I put it in a bun when I went to bed, and now it's like 5 bajillion feet tall and weird. So there's that. But today we're going to be playing with dissecting, swatching, maybe comparing the Chamonix Après-Ski palette from Nomad Cosmetics. I'm super excited for this one. When I saw that they were hinting this one and the colors that they were hinting, I was like, please be good, please be good, please be good. And I am so freaking pleased with how this turned out. It is a stunning color story. We have 9 mattes, 9 shimmers. It's just absolutely insane. A lot of these shimmers do kind of like apply a lot more like toppers, but either way, I'm super excited for this. It's just a stunning color story all around. I'm gonna want to play with this one a bunch. I'm super excited for that. So I'm gonna play with it today, give you my thoughts, and then I will do a couple more looks later this week maybe. I honestly don't know, but I'm super excited for this one. It's so stunning. Like, this is just, I hope that this is like the pattern that we're going this year from indie brands. Just a stunning color stories. Like, there were some really good ones last year, but I hope that we're just on this path for really amazing color stories. As always, all the products that I used and I mentioned in my video and all my videos will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links, they're just there if you guys see something in my video that you would like to look at, possibly buy, all that good stuff. To start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch you in. Okay, so when I was thinking about playing with this like throughout the night, I was thinking I want to play with some of the pinks and then maybe a little bit of the green, and then put like one of these like in here. So like pink, a little bit of green, like a green in here. So maybe like one of those two in here, and then like one of those shimmers in here. So I think that's what my plan is going to be with this. I am super excited for this. I'm gonna play with those blues at some point, but I'm really feeling heavily gravitation towards the pinks and whatnot. I'm a pink girly through and through. I always have been. My go-to look growing up was pink eyeshadow, so these were exactly the tones that I did it. So I'm gonna go in with the off-piste shade right there, and I'm gonna go in with my Unearthly UCA 5 brush. This was from a mystery box, but I genuinely recommend all of their brushes. They're so freaking amazing. They're so soft and they work just so well. I'm just using this to place right now, but I'm just plopping that right above my crease. I loved swatching this palette when I swatched it yesterday. It is just so smooth. It's so buttery. I think Nomad's really starting to like really nail down their formula and what they want, and I'm really happy with that because I think they're getting to like a really good spot. Taking this, plopping it like that. I have to darken this side up a little bit. I'm super excited for this palette though. I think this is gonna become one of my all-time favorites. One of my all-time favorites in my collection, and from Nomad is The Haunted Europe and Ghost Town. I do think that this is going to be ranking up there. Just like from swatching it and just like from the color story, I do feel like this is going to be just spectacular. So once I have that there, I think I'm going to go in with this Haute Savoy, whatever that shade right there. I suck at pronouncing things, okay? I'm the worst at it, but I'm just gonna be taking that right below that off-piste shade in the crease area with my Rephr 13 here. I'm just taking that in there. I'm going to be stamping this shade in because I want the color pigment payoff for this. I want the deep tone of it. I just, you know, that's how I feel about a bunch of stuff. It's like, why get these bright, colorful, just amazing tones and shades and then dilute them down? Granted, not everybody's like a fun, colorful makeup lover like I am, but I'm like, why not use it to its full potential, you know? Like, that's just my gripe, and I think that's just because of how I like to do my makeup, and I need to realize that not everybody does everything the same. Like, just cool your jets, Nikki. It's fine. But like I said, just taking that into the crease, blending it up into that lighter pink shade, bringing it down here. Just stamping it in. This is stunning. I love pink eyeshadow, okay? I freaking love and adore pink eyeshadow. It's just so much fun, and I adore it so freaking much. Okay, so I think I'm going to do that inner corner that I had talked about. So I'm thinking maybe that, but I'm also kind of feeling like putting like one of these two in there. Like, that would be bomb. But I think I'm going to go on like the lighter side. So I think I'm going to go in with that Après shade right there. Going in with my Rephr 28. I would usually take my shimmer brush for this, but I'm just trying to see if like it'll work, you know. I always use this brush for the inner corner, but we'll try. So like I said, just plopping it into the inner corner right there a little bit. Okay, because it's not doing what I want it to do, we're gonna switch to my Rephr 21. This is my go-to shimmer brush. I love and adore it. It just does what I need it to do, and it sort of should have went in with first. But taking that into the inner corner, see, it applies it so beautifully. Just taking it right there, bringing it up a little bit that way. And I think going back in with that Rephr 13 and just dragging that pink shade just all the way down here. Yeah, and then I'll put the green in there. Just plopping it in. I have not sprayed the brush. I do try not to spray the brush when I'm doing, well, I try not to spray the brush at all, but especially when I'm doing reviews, I feel like, and this isn't shade to anybody, if they do it, they do it, but I want to give you guys like the full like rundown on how it works on its own. Y'all, these freaking little light shades in this palette are freaking insane. Like, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go in with that Chamonix shade right there. We're gonna be mixing both of them because I want to. I might even plop one of these on as a highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to start with that Chamonix shade, and I'm just going to be plopping that into here, taking that on my, what is this, my Rephr 21? Yeah, and kind of blending it into that green shade and just dragging it out this way. What a freaking palette. Okay, we're going to go in with that Les Alpes shade right there, and we're just going to go in with a little bit over that. Blending it out with my finger a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. That is just stunning. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I think I might go in with just a little bit of that Vinchwad shade right there, that dark pink shimmer, and I might just pop a little bit out here because I am a shimmer addict. Just taking it, popping out there, giving a little bit of depth, popping it with my brush, and then I'll probably blend it out a little bit with my finger. You guys, that is just stunning. Okay, I really like that. I'm probably gonna go in with like this pink NYX liner in Pink Spirit in here because I think that would just be a good old grand time. I'm gonna do my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We'll do the under eye. We'll do the inner corner. We will do my thoughts and my opinions and all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Hello, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking it. My hair is like on one, but this is turning out super pretty. I had to switch foundation because like I only have a little bit of my lighter one and I have my summer one, and I might be a little bit darker than normal, but I'm kind of vibing with it. Makes me feel like it's summer again, you know? For blush, I went in with this Rem Beauty one in Strawberry Nebula. It's absolutely gorgeous, super pretty. And then highlight, I went in with Les Alpes and then Chamonix. I went in with those two and I just freaking adore it. It's such a pretty highlight. Like it worked beautifully and I'm just so happy with it. For the under eye, what should we do? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the first time that I will be like in your guys' face in a hot minute where my lashes are actually like fully glued on and you won't see them falling off. What are we thinking for the under eye? Maybe bringing that pink down a little bit and then we can plop a little bit of the, we'll just start. I'll just figure it out. So I'm gonna go in with that Après shade right there and my Refer 03 here. We're just gonna get the inner corner done. Just bringing that right in here. Just a stunning palette. Like, my goodness. Like, that's just so pretty. Yeah. Okay, I got an idea. We'll go in with that Haute Savoy shade right there. We'll go in with my Refer 23 here. And we'll just bring that along the lower lash line right here. Going about like halfway maybe. I think it's like a good distance here. And then once I have that there, I do think I'll bring in those two shimmer shades right there into right here. I'm going to go in with my Refer 23 still. Just because it's what's already in my hand and it's what's working. Oh, you guys. This is just a stunning palette. Like, I know I keep saying that, but like, my goodness, Nomad. I'm very much wanting to put like a shimmer on this lip, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. I went in with some mascara down here. For lip, I went in with this ColourPop lippy pencil in Oh My, and then I went in with this Unearthly lipstick in Moonlight Mauve. I think it turned out super pretty. Like I said, I kind of am tempted to put like a gloss on, but I honestly don't know. If I were to put a gloss on, it'd be one of these two. This is Bella Vitae Bar Dewy Gloss in Hypnotic, and then this is the Unearthly one in Puppy Love. I feel like they'd be such a vibe. We'll see if I end up doing it. But yeah, there is that. This is the final completed look. I'll do a little close-up here. I really like how this turned out. It is just a gorgeous look. I love how the shadows just blended together. I feel like this is Nomad's best formula yet. It works really well together. It's very buttery. It's very blendable. Like, it's super, super good. Granted, I have not played with the rest of them, but if this section right here works as well as it does, I have a feeling everything else is going to do it just as well, especially from like what I kind of picked up from swatching it the other day. I'm super excited to play with these blues. I'm super excited to see what else Nomad does this year. This is just an amazingly gorgeous color story right here. I'm excited to see how everything else works in here, but my first impressions right now are, holy shit, go pick this up. This is super good. I feel that way about a lot of Nomad stuff. This is the first color story from them in a hot minute that I've actually been like really enjoying. This is just bright and peppy and fun, and it's just stunning. Like, look at this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'm just super excited to play with this more throughout the year. It's an absolutely stunning palette. I know I keep saying that, but it is. There's nothing else I can say about it. I think this is like a solid 10 out of 10. I love it. It's amazing. I really do enjoy it. If you made it to this point of the If you made it to this point of the video though, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you guys here, watching my videos, enjoying my content, enjoying me be a dumbass. It means the world to me. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. It's 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do better. And remember to take enough food, enough water, enough nutrients to be taking enough self-care. If you gotta buy yourself something, do it. Just do something to make sure that you're taking care of you and doing good things for you. Again, thank you guys so much for being here. It means the absolute world to me. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.